requirements for airtightness testing are about to get tougher. And filling in all those annoying holes has always been a challenge. It can be hard and messy work, often leading to poor results that only get worse over time. To help achieve net zero carbon targets, new changes to Part L of building regulations, due to come into force late 2020, state that you need to use a collar or a grommet to properly seal around pipes and flues. PipeSnug is a quicker, smarter and more cost-effective solution. Easily installed in seconds, it not only saves time, but gives you the long-lasting, consistent and neat finish that your customers expect. By creating an airtight seal around all pipework, it keeps warm air in and everything else out. PipeSnug can be used both internally and externally, with all standard size soil and waste pipes, as well as boiler flues. And they come in a variety of colours to match your pipework. Make your energy assessors happy and join the PipeSnug revolution to make your homes greener, smarter and more cost-effective. PipeSnug, made in Britain and endorsed by Worcester Bosch and other leading boiler manufacturers.